Question is for the Julius and the Tenyong. Yeah.
I'll put it for you.
Okay. Nahiya naman ako. Ayan, so, yeah. What did you learn from each other? Because I understand some of, actually, si ano lang pala bago, no, si Lance. Yeah, so what did you learn from each other this time around?
7 days pa lang kami nagre-rehearse. Pero ano ba? From each other? Uy! Mali.
Oh, John Abella. Pa-soundbite ka naman dyan.
Oo, mga 14 minutes.
Okay, sige. Kaya ako ito mabilis. Onting trivia lang, kasi it all ties together. Nung 2023 nag press launch nag-preview sila ng November 2022. Pasok kami ni Shai ng 2023. Tapos ako yung pinakahuling pumasok. Ako yung ang malaking natutunan ko, this is not just within for the tennis and the Julias, the Juliong if you were, but for the KEs, Kali naman ng Sam, the kind of courage that Kali naman ng Sam gives an artist like me to empower me in certain times come from the pandemic and still trying to find my voice again as an actor and thinking if that voice needs to be heard pa din. And with this space, marami akong natutunan na hanggang ngayon pinagmumuni-munihan ko. And hopefully, I can also extend that kind of love and courage towards other people. And mas back upan yung love that we all strive for. The purest kind of love is found within the community. And ayun, and with everyone, with the KEs and everyone from sinahabi ka na Kuya Silo, sina Ate Manu, it's really an empowering moment. So if I take it upon myself to just allow that to fuel the love. So ayun.
Copy paste.
Sige, last na. Sabihin ko lang. So, ngayon ko lang, ngayon lang namin ginawa ni Lance yung pangako yan. Tapos, no, it's really a pleasure looking into the eyes of the Julias. No, kasi I can see what kind of love they are. I think if there's anything that I learned, it's seeing the kind of love that the Julias are capable of. Kasi, I swear, like, kita niyo naman, dami na nagtitigan. So, yun ang bago for me. If there's anything I've learned, nakita ko na yung kind of love na kaya ni Lance ibigay. And it's a lot. So, thank you for sharing that with me. Share mo kay Johnny na sa rehearsal.
Kanina!
Just to clarify, yung sinasabi ni John na PETA KE is the PETA Kalinga Ensemble. It's the performance arm of PETA. Kung mapapansin yung PETA po ay maraming sangay at mga may PETA Plus, may mga Theater for Development programs, at yung PETA Kalinga Ensemble kung saan bahagi kami bilang artist teachers ng PETA, yun po ang performance arm ng PETA. At taas-taas kamay po ng mga PETA Kalinga Ensemble members. Yes po, kami po yun. So, yun po. Salamat. Last question. Yes.